Today, rabbit with mustard. Hello, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. Rabbit, lapin à la moutarde in French. Very classical and traditional French recipe with the rabbit and with the French mustard. A nice rabbit of 1 kilogram. Of course, rabbit eats carrots, so we will put carrots and onions, a bit of garlic, of course, mustard, white wine, very good stock. It's a brown stock from a mix of bones of chicken and cuttings and some little things and nerves of tenderloin, beef tenderloin. So I made this stock. If you don't know how to make this stock, you can make the first step of the demi-glace video, the first step, and some flour, and that's all. Very traditional French dish that we learn in all French kitchen school. We cut the head, we cut the leg, crack, hop, voilà. We have a leg, we cut the shoulder as well, very simple, just follow the bone. We cut this belly, all of this, it's the part that when I was in my youth, all kids want this part because it's very delicate, without bone and very tasty. My grandma cut it and make this way. Hop. We have kidney. Kidney, you have two options, or you take them off, or you let it and one piece will be with kidney. I will use this way. Now we need to remove lungs and heart. There is some people which eat lungs I don't like, but heart yes. Okay, and now it's time to cut. This part, the fillet, all the fillet, we call it in French rable. We have a name just for this, just for rabbits, which is rable. So before the rable we have this part where we have legs. So after it's really easy, we cut. We cut portions. All the rabbit is cut. We have 12 parts, more or less, because we have the legs and the shoulder. We have 4 good parts of rable. We have 2 parts of belly, the final, and even the little rack, let's say, or the rack just to eat with fingers after. Okay, so it's time to cook. We salt rabbit, just a little bit. It's really important. A bit of pepper, just a little bit of salt because mustard is salty. So if when you start the recipe you put many salt, you finish with a recipe over salted. Really important, really good secret. Butter in the pan and a bit of sunflower oil, medium heat. We want the final result is a golden color, light golden color of rabbit. Rabbit, we flour it. We start frying in a gentle fire. Voilà, you listen, just gentle fire. I just check if it can be a bit more. I have time to show you how to make balls of carrot, cuttings of carrots. Here we will make a garnish, aromatic garnish, mirepoix, and some balls of carrots that we will be glazed after to serve it. But you can make cubes, or if it's your house, you can just serve it with the cubes of the carrots. And these cuttings, so this is balls, these are balls, and cuttings I use for mirepoix. Just I cut in pieces like this. So not so big amount, like this, it's okay. And onion, the same. Onion mirepoix as well, so cubes of 1 centimeter. Hop, that's down. I think it's time, yes, fantastic. We want golden color, we have golden color. Super nice. One clove of garlic, just beat like this, and it's ready for next step. I open my usual traditional mustard and all-style mustard with seeds. I have white wine, dry white wine. I have thyme, and I'm ready for next step. When our piece of rabbit is nice golden, both sides, we will take them off and start to make the sauce or the place where they will cook. Now I think it's good. Yes, because never overcooked a rabbit, otherwise after it's dry. Okay, and here I add my aromatic garnish. If I'm good, usually the amount of butter and oil is okay. So as you see, there is no remaining, but just the necessary to fry, gently fry the veggies. If in your case there is many fat left, you need to remove a little, to take it off a little bit. Let only what is needed just to fry this. Now it's golden color, we can add mustard. 1, 2 of mustard and 1 of mustard with seeds. Old mustard, in French, moutarde à l'ancienne. Old style mustard. And we dry it like this. Take care with your eyes. We dry it. We deglaze with white wine. Voilà, the good noise. We deglaze. Clean the bottom of the pan. Voilà. We take our stock. We put like 3 good spoons of stock. We give a first boil just to melt the stock. Alors, as you understand, you can use as well white stock. It's boiling, I put less fire and bring back my rabbit inside the sauce, like this. And now, this you gently cook in your stove. You can as well put in oven, but today I will show you how to put it in stove. Extra pepper, I like pepper, a bit of thyme, just flower of thyme, and a bay leaf. Up. And this, slow fire, and we cover with the lid, and let's go for 17 minutes, let's say. After we will have a look. 17 minutes. The carrots. We will make glazed carrots. I take balls of carrots. We put butter. We put water. Like this. A bit of salt. A bit of sugar. Caster sugar. And we bring to boil. This way you will see the true glazed veggies. This way you can make all roots, no, quite all roots. But usually carrots, parsnip, turnip, rutabaga, all this class of roots. And to make the true one, we need to make a chimney. We call it in French cheminée. What is it? It's not a lid. It's not with lid, it's not without lid, it's between. And how we do this? We do it with baking paper. You fold in two, like this way, and after, take your finger in the center and you fold little by triangles like this. Oh, can change ham. I think I already showed this technique in Boeuf Bourguignon video. You need to check, I don't remember. And after that, take scissors, make a very little hole in the center. After, check the size that you need. This will be 1 radius. You open it and you have a perfect disc with a hole. You put on top of your carrots, and now it's boiling. Now we put less fire and we gently cook. And the water, the butter, all will gently evaporate. And after will remain only the carrots, a bit of fat from the butter and a bit of sugar, and we will glaze them. Very easy. Now it's time to check our rabbit. If the knife go inside without resistance, it's ready. It's cooked. Here are cooking potatoes, English way in French, à l'anglaise, so just in boiling water, salty boiling water. I add some curcuma for the color. It will be ready very soon. The carrots, I removed the paper, the baking paper, because the carrots are ready. So now it's time to finish, to evaporate and to glaze. So both are finishing. We can finish the sauce. For the rabbit, this you can serve to your friends or to your family. You will eat a piece of carrots, piece of onions, and a piece of garlic without any problem. The sauce is already a sauce, as you see, but we will finish it nicely like in a restaurant. For this, we make décanté in French, like for wine. We separate liquid and solid. Solid, it's a rabbit and onions and carrots. And this is having a rest. Now I take a new pan, I take strain, and I will filter my sauce. In a pan, as you see, I make a good deglaze so nothing stay in the pan. All the taste is inside. You take all substance, all texture of the sauce by pressing carrots, onion. We start more fire to start to reduce a bit the sauce. Now we add a bit of liquid cream, stirring well. And now you will have a silky sauce, more silky. Voilà, really nice sauce. You can try it. Salt, pepper. It's completely okay for salt. Just a bit of pepper, and it's ready. The carrots, they are completely reduced. We can turn them into the pan to glaze them and to have this shiny aspect. Potatoes we check. They are done. Yes. Sauce is done. We put only to keep it warm now. No boiling at all. It's on 1. And we bring back the rabbit inside, piece by piece. Now we will a bit feed the rabbit with the sauce. Now all is ready. I let all to keep it hot. And now we pour sauce on top of the piece of rabbit. Now, like this. We are ready to serve. We take the leg, pour sauce on top. 2 big spoons of sauce. When sauce is good, people want to eat. Potato. 2 little potato. And carrots. 5 balls of carrot, a bit of parsley for contrast, and you have a fantastic traditional French dish, rabbit with mustard. It's a good dish as well the day after, or at minimum when it is resting inside the sauce about 2 hours. So the rabbit incorporates the sauce and it's better after 2-3 hours, or the day before, and you reheat the day after in a slow fire. It's very tender. By the way, rabbit is very healthy meat. Feel free to do it very often. Don't forget to put a like, subscribe to this channel.